In order to reset our upper trim limit, we need to remove the existing trim limit. So in order to do that, we're going to turn our key to the on position. We're going to pull our safety lanyard out. Then we're going to push in our neutral switch here, advance the throttle, and we should hear buzzer, but we're not. So at that point, we're going to push and hold the up button for 3 seconds. And release. There should have been a buzzer, but evidently the warning buzzer has been bypassed on this. So we'll test and see if that works. We'll return our throttle to the fully closed position and now see if we can trim up. Okay. So we're looking and we don't want our motor to contact our plate here. So right about there is about where we want it. So once we've got our motor set in the position we want, switch on, lanyard out, we push that, move the throttle forward, and then we're going to hit this 3 times. Then return the throttle to the fully closed and put this back on our emergency stop. Now, this should be reset. So we're going to check and see if that limit is set correctly. Let's trim it up. Okay, and it stops right there. Got a nice amount of space here. If you do need to change the down limit on your boat, it's the same exact process as you just watched for the up button, except you use the down button. So key on, lanyard off, advance the throttle with the throttle only button, press and hold the down button to cancel the down limit, and then the same process, set it where you want, switch, all that stuff, press the down button 3 times to set the position. Same exact procedure as you just watched me, but use the down button instead of the up button if you're setting the down. But that's all there is for today. We've got this Suzuki DF140 trimming up and down right where it needs to be, not hitting the back of our boat. We're in good shape. Thanks for watching.